I have to spend $400,000 like really soon, and I was wondering if you think I should buy this. This apartment building has 11 units and it's listed for $1.9 million in Moncton, New Brunswick. Let's figure out if this is a good move for my retirement or not. At a purchase price of $1.9 million, I'm going to put 20% down. My mortgage will be at about a 5% interest rate for 25 years, and there are 11 units, meaning each unit costs about $172,000. It's going to put me at top budget at $380,000 down payment, and my mortgage rate is going to be $8,800 a month. All 11 units in this building are 2-bedroom, which is good. I have other apartment buildings that have 2 bedrooms, and we're getting about $1,400 a month for those. It also says here that tenants pay all utilities, which is good. With the estimated rent of $1,400 per unit, we're going to be making $184,000 in revenue a year. Here are the estimated expenses, which are going to be about $75,000 a year. Our net operating income is $110,000. Our annual cash flow is $4,000. Our expense ratio, decent. So my cash on cash return on my investment of $380,000 is going to be 1%. Cap rate is under 6. Having the headache of a bunch of tenants for a return that's less than a savings account is absolutely not ideal for retirement. Alternatively, I could put that $380,000 into the stock market at a 7% annual return and get this by the time I'm 65. 15 Mackenzie is a nope for me. But would you buy it?